In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a drop-down list in Google Sheets. Creating a drop-down list is a fantastic way to ensure that the data entered into your spreadsheet is consistent and easy to manage. Whether you're organizing a project, managing a budget, or keeping track of inventory, a drop-down list can make data entry more efficient and error-free. Let's get started by opening Google Sheets. You can do this by navigating to the Google Sheets website and signing in with your Google account. Once you're on the dashboard, you can either open an existing spreadsheet or create a new one. For this tutorial, we'll assume you are opening a new sheet, allowing us to focus on each step without pre-existing data in the way. Once you have your sheet open, you'll need to select the cell or range of cells where you want your drop-down list to appear. Simply click on a cell or drag your cursor across multiple cells if you want the list to span multiple entries. This helps in keeping your data structured and well organized. With your cell selected, right-click to bring up a context menu, which offers several options to customize your cell. Look for the drop-down option in this menu. Clicking it will open the settings for creating your drop-down list. Here, you'll see a section where you can start typing in a list of options. This is where you will define the choices users can select from the drop-down. Begin by typing your first option, perhaps something straightforward like option 1. After entering your first option, it's time to add more choices to your list. Click on Add Another Item, then type in your next option, like option 2. Continue this process for any additional items you need. For our example, we'll add option 3, option 4, and option 5. With your options added, you might also want to incorporate some visual cues by clicking on the fill colors for each option. This feature allows you to assign different colors to each choice, making your data visually distinct and easier to interpret at a glance. Once all your options are set, click Done to seal the deal. Your drop-down list is now ready to use. Just click on the list in your selected cell and you'll see your newly created options available for selection. This ensures that your data entries are uniform and simplifies the process of data entry for everyone involved in using the spreadsheet. Thank you for joining me today in this tutorial on creating drop-down lists in Google Sheets. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it enhances your productivity and data management skills. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.